Hi guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you guys doing? I hope you always be healthy and happy. Let me introduce myself. I am GHEFIRA, the 7th grader of Sekolah Akhlak SMPIT Insan kamil Majalengka. So, in this video, I will guide you guys to my room. So, it's like my room tour video. Are you ready guys? Okay, so this is my bedroom. I have a quite small room and white walls. I seldom spend time in my bedroom because it's small and messy, so I spend more time playing outside my room. There are pretty much stuff in my room. There are 2 cupboards. There are my picture with my brother. There are 2 tables. It's a little bit messy and so many books in here. And there are 2 beds. My bed is up there. This is my bed. And this is the other one.
Listen to the ending.
I put so many things I like in my bedroom. For example, here I have a dog. I like it because it's so cute. The other thing I like it is this picture. I like it because it's a picture of me and my best friend when we were 3rd grade. Well guys, you have seen my room now and all the things I like in it. Okay guys, that will be the end of this vlog. Thank you and see you on my next vlog. Stay safe and healthy. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.